Good morning, children. Let's start with the prayer. सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। शुद्ध भाव से तेरा ध्यान लगाए हम, विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम। तुम्हीं से है आगाज, तुम्हीं से अंजाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। गुरुओं का सत्कार कभी ना भूले हम, इतना बने महान गगन को छू ले हम। तुम्हीं से है हर सुबह, तुम्हीं से शाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। ओके, सो दैट्स द प्रेयर। आई एम श्योर अभी तक सबको याद हो गया होगा। ट्राई टू मेमोराइज इट एंड take a video and send it to me. Okay, after the prayer we start with English. Okay, come to this page number 69. Page number 69. Again, there is one short poem you can say. So the chapter's name is This That. Okay, This That. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? अगर ये हम बोलेंगे दिस इज दैट, दिस दैट। अगर ये बोला हमने दिस तो दिस दैट। ओके, मतलब ये या ये। ओके, लिटरली इट जस्ट मीन्स दिस दैट। सो दिस इज नियर मी, मतलब ये मेरे बाजू में है, एंड दिस इज एंड दैट इज फार। तो हम उसका जो भी वर्ड है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्पून है, स्टार है, या पेन है, पेंसिल है, हम वो नहीं बोलते हैं। लेकिन हम क्या बोलते हैं? दिस इज नियर मी, दैट इज फार। मतलब ये मेरे बाजू में है और ये दूर है। ओके, सो दिस इज नियर मी, दैट इज फार। दिस इज माई फिंगर and that is a star. So this is my finger and that is a star. मतलब वो वहां पे star है। This is my spoon. This is my spoon and that is the moon. Okay, again be very very attentive. Spoon and moon is rhyming words. Okay, this is my bun and that is the sun. When something is near we say this. मतलब जो मेरे बाजू में है मैं उसको बोलूंगी this. When something is far we point out that. Okay, जो बाजू में होंगे हम बोलेंगे this. जो दूर है हम उसको बोलते हैं that. Okay, तो ये this और that कभी यूज करना है, that's what is been explained. Now what you all will do is you all will read this for me. Okay, take a video while you all are reading this. So this is near me and that is far. This is my finger and that is the star. This is my spoon and that is the moon. This is my bun and that is the sun. When something is near we say this. When something is far we point out that. Now always when you're reading, always remember that what are your rhyming words. ये सब अभी हम सीख रहे हैं, so we should know what are the rhyming words here. So spoon moon is bun sun. Okay, so next time when you have been asked that question you should be able to answer. Now fill in the blanks with this or that. So what you will write here? This is a book, this is a pencil, this is a spoon. Now that is a tree क्योंकि वो दूर है. Okay, that is the sun because again that is far. That is the moon. Again, that is the furthest. Okay, so that is why you will write it like this. Now you will say this one video. Second, you will write this, take a picture, write your name and send it to me. This is what you need to do for English. Now we'll do the coloring book. Come to this page where this drawing is there. As you all know, जैसे वो लिखा है वैसे ही R लिखा है तो red, Y लिखा है तो yellow. So just the same way you all have to do it. Okay. So I'll just show it to you how to start. Now this is red. So you will do red here. Again red here. Wherever R is written, you will do red. So ideally first finish one and then take the other crayon. Okay. So wherever R is written, I'm just coloring it red. Okay, so after that we will take brown. After coloring red, BR is brown. So you'll do brown out here. So that's how you will color. Now there are only last 2-3 which are left. So LG is light green, L blue is light blue, D blue is dark blue, PI is pink, CR is cream, okay, Y is yellow, O is orange, this is how it will look like. Okay, so you will take a picture and send it to me, and don't forget to write your name. Now I'm going to give you a few sums on addition. Okay, you will write in your square line books, in your maths book. So these are sums on addition. Again, you will write tens and ones. Okay, and then write the sum. So the first sum is 6 plus 7 is equal to. Second sum is 3 plus 12 is equal to. मैंने सिर्फ फर्स्ट में दिखाया कैसे है, आगे से आप नेक्स्ट में करेंगे खुद ही. थर्ड सम is 14 plus 6. Fourth sum 11 plus 12. Okay. Fifth sum 10 plus 6. Sixth sum 9 plus 3. Okay, I'll just erase this and do the next set of sums. Seventh sum 14 plus 0. Eighth sum 5 plus 13. Ninth sum 12 plus 14. 10th sum 7 plus 6. 11th sum 13 plus 6. 12th sum 14 plus 3. Then we have the next set of sums. 13th sum 15 plus 3. 14th sum 19 plus 0. And 15th sum 16 plus 4. Okay, so these 15 sums you are going to do in your maths book. Don't forget to write tens and ones in each sum. हर एक sum में tens and ones लिखना है. You will do the addition. Take a picture, write your name and send it to me. Okay, now we'll come to EVS. Come to page number 66. Page number 66. It's written finger impressions. ये सब कैसे है? थम या फिंगर का प्रिंट होता है और उससे you can draw different things. For example, this is a bird, this is like a swan, or you can even say it's a bird with long legs. So then this is fish, grapes. Okay, अभी यहाँ पे already थोड़े दिए हुए हैं. So I will draw a few and show it to you कि क्या draw कर सकते हो. Okay. What can we draw here? We can draw a spider. Okay, and we'll draw the two eyes of the spider. Okay, what else? Now what can we draw here? We can draw, what can we draw? We can draw like a tortoise. Okay, with the legs. Okay, with the eyes out here. Then what else can we draw? Here we can draw this as a butterfly. ओके अभी ये तीन आप सोच के जो भी आपको ड्रॉ करना है वो ड्रॉ करके write your name, take a picture and send it to me. So this is one part of EVS. After doing this, I need you all to open your drawing books. Okay, open your drawing books, and what you have to do is take your book like this in the standing position. You will draw a trunk of the tree, a big trunk of the tree. Okay, which is going narrow, 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 and then there are branches. Again, there are branches here, branches here. Okay, now with your paints you will take out your paint, your brush and your water. After drawing this tree, you will take your brown color, okay, and color the trunk. So you just color the trunk first, paint it. Take your paints, carefully use the paints and do not waste the paints. So this is how you will paint the trunk of the tree. After doing the trunk of the tree, you let it dry for a few seconds or a few minutes, and you will just do the branches also. Okay, try to do it as thin as possible. Okay, you can just do the branches. Okay, after doing this, in one plate, okay, you can just take any plate, कोई भी plate ले लो. What will you do is, you will take out some different colors and keep. So for example, if you have taken out this yellow, you can take out little yellow here. Okay, put little water. Just like a drop of water, and mix this and just keep it separate. Okay, after taking out yellow, I'm going to take a little bit of orange. You can just take any colors you like. Okay, keep a little far from yellow. Okay, don't just keep it very close to yellow. Take a little water, very little. Just mix and keep it separate. Okay, then after yellow, I'll take a little bit of say light blue. Mix the color properly and just keep it a little far, and mix a little water. Okay, after this I'll just take a little bit of say red. But I don't want to keep this red as red, so I want to make it into a pink. So I'll just take red and white to make it pink. Keep the red brush and the white brush a little different, and now just mix it and put a little water. Just mix this properly. Okay, now what you have to do is, you will take impressions from your thumb and your finger. Okay, on your thumb you can just take any color and make random impressions like this. Okay, then you can take your finger, make an impression a little far. Then you can take another finger, do the impressions. So these will be the form of leaves that we are doing. So these are impressions of the leaves. Okay, try to use different fingers so that you can get different shapes for the leaves. Okay, so this will be all different kind of plants and leaves. You can mix whichever color you want and make a different shading. Okay, so this is how it will look. So it's like a colorful tree. You shouldn't leave any space. Okay, try to cover how much ever you can, and it will look pretty. Okay, so this is a tree with different colored leaves. As simple as that. Okay, it's a very, very fun activity. Okay, and let this dry. take a picture, write your name, take a picture and send it to me. Okay, this is all you need to do for today. Have a good day. Bye bye. Have a good weekend.